Okay, so what you guys want to do is take the board, and we just measured 15 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Take the main stand, heat stand, to the heat stand. Take your hot glue gun, glue the bottom piece of it. Oh, by the way, the main stand is 10 to 10 centimeter in height, 4 centimeter in length. Yeah, so just glue it perfectly, thoroughly, and then just paste it at the end of the board.
Okay, so now I just lay it rest for 30 seconds or anything. Okay, so now we got our 2 chopstick, 4 butter caps, and 1 rest. The rest is for the chopstick to rest on it, so it won't. So it will make the wheels turn. Not the car turn.
Okay, so just follow what I do. Just hot glue the rester on the board after this. Both of the rester. And yeah, and then that's it. You are ready to go for the race car drone to work.
Okay, so now we take one of the barriers, we glue gun it thoroughly, and then we're gonna paste it on the board and make sure it sticks perfectly because we need every corners to be even so that the drone can fly smoothly.
Okay, done.